There's no reason you can't grab your Substack domain and your name and get that set up today. Go have fun. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new publication in Substack. And I think this will be helpful because I actually had to poke around a little bit. We'll be doing this from desktop browser, so I'm going to reduce myself over into the corner. Right now, we are on my profile. You can see my profile up here, substack.com/@RachelHasTheMic. What you want to do is you want to click on settings. And so you should be able to click down here and go to settings. That is where you create a new publication. Was it intuitive? No, but that's where you do it. I have a few publications here, but I want to create a new one. So you would click create another publication. Now, this is where you want to have in mind what is the subdomain on Substack going to be for this publication. It should absolutely match whatever you're creating. So we're going to call it Rachel Has the Mic Test. Let's do that. All right, Rachel Has the Mic Test. So I'm going to hit continue, and it says, don't worry, you can change this later. So things are forgiven. Import your mailing list. So if you already have an established mailing list in some other platform, Patreon, MailChimp, TinyLetter, etc., you can bring that list in here. You might have a CSV file, ODS file, whatever, select it. But you can skip through this. If you have the mailing list, go ahead. Now, please, before you do this, though, I highly recommend that you communicate with that mailing list and let them know, hey, FYI, you'll be hearing from us soon on our new Substack. Otherwise, you're going to wind up getting unsubscribes, and you don't want that. And maybe they'll unsubscribe from you on Substack, but they might decide to go the extra mile and unsubscribe from you from the other platform. So really make sure you're communicating with your mailing list robustly. For right now, I'm going to hit skip through this. Add your first subscribers. This is where it's wonderful to have and use maybe one of your throwaway emails, or maybe your significant other, a sister, brother, a best friend, and just say, hey, I'm just going to add you as a first subscriber. But you can also skip through this step as well. Recommend other Substacks. So these are just going to be the ones that are out there and popular. You can unselect all if you want, or select some of these, but you can also skip through this step. But basically, it's just trying to say, hey, recommend some of your favorites, and you can adjust these later. Skip. All right. So now we're in my new Substack, which was called Rachel Has the Mic Test. Notice that you can see it up here in the URL, rachelhasthemic.substack.com, publish home. And here's where I'm going to stop, because we will do some more videos about each of the sections for setting up your publication. If you notice, I can scroll down quite a bit, but setting up takes a while. We'll stop here for today. This video hopefully, though, helped you figure out where in the wide world on the desktop browser would you create a new publication on Substack. And now you know where you would do that, what you need to get started, which is really not that much. But I do recommend you set aside some ample time for setting it up completely, because that'll be future videos coming up, how to set up your Substack on all the aspects of branding, of payments, of your subscription tiers, and all those things, social media. But there's no reason you can't grab your Substack domain and your name and get that set up today. Go have fun. Let me know where your Substack is set up, and tune in for some more videos about working on Substack. You're still here? It's over. But you should hit like on this video before you head out, and subscribe if you want to get more videos that'll help you realize how much more there is to marketing. See what I did there?